Hi, welcome to our channel. You are watching AROMA DISH. And these are the ingredients that we are going to use to prepare our dish today, which is mutton gravy. Firstly, we need to boil the mutton with garlic paste, ginger paste and 1 red chilli together. After 20 minutes, we have to add 2 sliced potato and let it boil for another 25 minutes. Next, we have to add about 10 dry chilies, fennel seed, coriander seed and pepper seed together. We have to stir it together until the color changes to brown. Next, we have to put all the dry spices into the blender and grind it together until it becomes into a powder form. Next, we have to repeat the same process as we did earlier with coconut. This is the outcome after boiling, and this is the mutton stock. Later we have to prepare 2 chopped onion, 1 tomato, 1 cinnamon stick and 3 cardamom together with star anise. Later we have to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, the chopped onions and mix it all together. After the onion turns into brown, we have to add ginger and garlic paste together. Next, we have to add a cinnamon, star anise and cardamom and together with curry leaves and stir it together. Later we have to add the spices that we grinded into the mixture. Together with tomato, and stir it together. At last we have to add all the mutton that we boiled earlier and stir the mixture together evenly. Next we have to add on 3 tablespoons of the mutton stock. After stirring the mixture, we have to add on the meat curry powder together with and we have to add a pinch of salt. Next, we have to add the cashew nut paste. And the lemon leaf is optional. Finally, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder. Lastly, mix everything all together